Hello again, folks. Today I thought I'd do a mini lock Monday because I want to try out this gorgeous tiny little pick what was gifted to me by Runesmith. So today I'm going to be picking these locks I got from the awesome Parky while he was with us. I was lucky enough to win his last giveaway, his very last giveaway in fact, the Shackle Pop giveaway, and he sent me these amongst many tiny little 20mm padlocks. Popular Mechanics is the brand of all of them. There is a keyway. So yeah, there we go. They're all on a little bunch. I'm going to use this bottom of keyway tensioner from Lock Tools. And like I say, this tiny little half diamond. And yeah, we'll see how we go on. So yeah, like I say, he may be gone, but it's not forgotten. There, mate, Parky. There's one. So yeah, just wanted to give it just a little workout. Share it with you wonderful people. Is there something there? Let's just try this one a minute. Get the weight off. Can't do it now, look, camera's on, they've gone shy. There we go, there's another one. Last but not least, see if we can get this one on camera. There we go. So yeah, as you can see, good things come in small packages. Beautiful. As you can see, it really does the job. So that's it for now. Thanks for joining me today on this mini lock Monday, and remembering Parky again, and also a huge thank you to the awesome Runesmith for his beautiful little surprise. Really wasn't expecting it. Oh, and I forgot to say, he has told me it's purple heart for wood, so it's going to get increasingly more purple over the next 5 years or so. I mean, it will start eventually going a bit black. So the gift what keeps on giving. Thank you ever so much. That's it for now, folks. Like I say, till next time, take care. Bye bye.